Good evening. We are going to do a quick rendition on some numbers. And the quick rendition and the numbers I'm going to be using is 137. The minimum amount with two numbers to create 137 is 99 and 38 equals to 137. Okay, next scenario. 82 and 46, 6 and 2, 8, 8 and 4, 12, 1 and 2, 3. So we now know the cycle of the moon, 28, 82, it doesn't matter, and 46, which is 0, Zion, Israel. It's also noted as DC. Mathematically, it will work out to DC. Another way to get the 38, 77, Christ, or matter, 51, or area 51, Mars, which is ape life. Reason for ape life is because I strike like that. That is Mars. Another way to look at it is if you're looking at the area 51 and the numeric value for MARS, which is arms, is 13, 01, 18, and 19, where AR creates S, but it's 13 that creates 19. And what is in between? 1 times 3, 1 plus 3. 3 and 4. 3 times 4, 3 plus 4. 7 the gateway to 12, the 12 hours on the clock, if you want to look at it that way, because ABC, you have to understand, ABC is standard. Standard, ABC, no matter what. So we add on another 3 to bring it at the end. It's 1, 2, 3, which is equivalent to 10, 11, and 12. But 10 is now black. Where 1 was red, 1 and 10 are the same. It's into this world where the one spirit resides in what creation is. And what is 10? The first time that fourth comes about, when you add up 1, 2, 3, 4, that is an equivalent to 10. So you begin at 11. And 11 is creation of 12. 1 times 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 11 and 12, your number 23, and then 33. And that's your basic replacement of 1, 2, 3, 6. Where was I going to go next with this? Noted that what does 99 do? It creates the numeric value for Venus, which can also equivalent to 3 letters. Any 3-letter reverse will be 81. Any 3-letter reverse, it's 27. 2/3 of a letter reverse is 18. Never used that before, but that is the equation. I was looking at male and female. I don't know which up and down is. I said, why did they put man at the end of woe? Why did they put male at the end of fee? Right? Or what came first, the this or the this? Well, the 2 letters stand for what is Venus. The 3 and 4 letters stand for what is Mars and Earth. F is the 6th letter, F is the 6th letter, E is the 5th letter. W is the 23rd letter, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 and 3 is 5. The O is the 15th letter, 1 times 5, 1 plus 5 is 5 and 6, so they all create the same scenario, 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, which is 11, 11, 11. This scenario incomplete is 11 itself. Here is the creation of the DNA and the day. It is the reflection of 1 and 2. 1 and 2, and its reflection is 5 and 6. And what is its passing? 3 and 4. 3 and 4, and its passing is the E world, the 0.5 one way and the 0.5 the other way. Where else can I go with this? So man is 13 and woe man is 12. So when they add onto man, they take off 1 year when woe comes on. When woe is in it, 1 is missing. I don't know what that scenario is, but I'm going to give you the mathematics. That 1 times 3, 1 plus 3 will equal to 3 and 4. 1 times 2, 1 plus 2 will equal to 2 and 3. So there's a link on at 33 to begin with. And this one equals to 7, this one equals to 5. The numeric value for moon is 57. The numeric value for energy and time and Jesus. Jesus, energy, and time. I'm leaving on a jet plane. All have the value of 74, 47, 74. 5 times 7, 35. 5 plus 7 equals to 12. The total is 47. Basic value. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go onto this page over here, and we're going to go take a look at what number 38 is. In this design, what this design is we have a 4. There's only 2 basic realities. After that, it's an add-on. The basic 2 realities is the single square or the 4 square. In the 4 square, okay, to create the 4 square to its greatest extremity, because the standard is by 3s, not counting the 4th in the center. This is what the polarity is. You have the 3 and the polarity is the 4, and one of the ways to look at it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to 6, plus 4 equals to 10 equals to 1. That's one way. Although the counting does not go this way, I'm going to just show you that if I continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, because it's starting over, what happens is 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36, 45, 55. So counting the beginning and the end of the cycle from here to here, because the starting position is 1, so 1 is counted like a 0. You're going to here is 1, to here is 1, to here is 1, to here is 1. So the total here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Although you see 10 numbers, there's only 9 in betweens. So when we add it up, we go 1, 3, 6, 1, 6, 3, 1, 9, 9, 1. And that is the fourth one, and then after the fourth one, it's now the third one, and then the third one. Your first polarity is at 4, and after that it's every 3. I keep thinking that it's 4 because the leap year is run by 4s, but in this scenario it's only run by 3s. So if we look at this one over here, 1, your next one would be 66, and that would be 3. Your next one would be 78, and that would be 6. Your next one is going to be 91, and that'll be 1. So now you have 91361, 91361. So the continuation, first it worked itself up, now it's working itself back. And since it's working itself back, my next question over here is I have to add 105, but I don't want to put 105. I want to put onto here, I'm going to put another 14. So 9 and 1 is 10 is 1, and 4 is 5. So this will be 6. And so we have number 15. Now we're going to add on 13, 14. Now we're going to add on 15, 15 to 15. Mars to Mars comes over here. 15 to 15 equals to 21. This is where the end of the cube comes in, right over here. So 21 over here, 2 and 1 equals to 3. And then after this we have number 16. So 16 and 21 is 37. Did I get that right? 3 and 7 is 10 equals to 1. So you have 91361, 91361, 631. So we now have the replica, and it divides right over here. And that is the complete replica, and it takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it takes a total of 16 to complete this formation. There's other formations, and we're not going to get into them. What I want to get to right now is that number 38. 3 by 8, there are 24 areas here, and there are 24 areas here. There are 6 areas here and 6 areas here. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. I'm not sure if I want to do this to it. I'm not sure if I want to do that, but there's the 8, 6, 8, 8, 6, 8, 2 times 4, 8, 2 plus 4, 6. This is a 3 by 8. This is the gold. This is the passing area. I can turn it the other way, this way. And this is what I believe could make up the formation of what is 6. Although on this, it is 9. I don't want to get into that anyways. Then there's this, the Mayan calendar, and also what is the 137. As you can see over here, if we take numbers into effect, we have 137 over here. Inside 1 and 3 is 2. Inside 1 and 7 is 4. The difference over here is 33, 3 away. The difference over here is 11, 1 away, 33 and 11. Then there's this corner over here, which is 7, 1, and 9, 1, 7, and 9. This corner is 3, 9, and 7, and this corner is 1, 3, and 9. In between 6 and 2, in between 6 and 8, this is where the gateway is. In between 2 and 4, creation of the gateway. This is the gateway. And then in between 4 and 8 is where Pluto is. Pluto stands in between birth and the gateway and the spirit. Here's the E-World Connect. How they connect, I'm not too sure. In fact, I don't know. Each one will create a word. In this word over here, 4, 5, and 2 creates bed. Over here, it's D, H, and E are the 3 letters. I'm only looking at the inside. The outside is A, G, and I. The outside over here is A, C, and G. The outside over here is C, I, and G. Inside 5, 6, and 8 is E, H, and F. Sounds like half. What is this over here? This is 1 and 6. This is connecting. 1 and 6 connect equals 7. 4 and 9 connect equals 13. 10 and 15 connect. 1 and 5. 10 and 15 connect. 1 and 5 equals to 6. Why would that be 5? 1 and 6. See 1 and 6? We have 1, 6 again, but on the next level. Equaling to the plug, jack. Jack the plug. Plugging up the AC, M, and R. They will replace each other. All the differences in here, if you look, will all be differences of 5. 13 and 18, 31. 1 and 3, 13, the same thing. 5 and 2, 7. 1 and 3, 4. 1 and 8, 9. 1 and 6, 19 is 1. 24 is 6. Total is 43, DC. 22 and 27 and 49. 4 and 9 is 13. 49, another way of saying 13. 6 and 3, another way of saying 13. Now where's 5 and 8? And don't forget, there's a difference between 6 and 7 and 4 and 9. 6 and 7 is this way. 4 and 9 is that way. It will create an X through the center of what 5 and 8 is. So 5 and 8 is noted as all these dots. I don't know what it does, but the reverse of 5 and 8 is 2 and 8. So what you're going to end up with is dots all the way down the center for 2, 5, and 8. In which, if I get this correct, and I'm not sure if I have this correct, but on the outside area, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there's 8 and 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. There's 28. Did I count that? There's 28. Did I get the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? 8 and 8 is 16. 16 and 12 is 28. Did I get that right? And I don't. Oh, 28 right here. That's the cycle of the half-life to Earth. Now, I'm not sure if we're supposed to count every second one, and I'm going to show you why and what I'm talking about. This is the letter H. I'm just trying to see where I was going with this. The 24-hour day. I'm just trying to see where I was going with this. Just to note that if you're trying to understand where the 7th gate is, so am I. So we start off with ABC. We start off with ABC plus. We start off with ABC minus. Now it could be 1, 2, 3 plus. And it could be 1, 2, 3 minus. 1 and 1. I never look at 1 and 1 that way. Usually I put 1 and 1 this way. Because this way, according to the calculator, when it's this way, it becomes by 2s, 2 by 2. If it's 4 by 4, it's this way. And Pluto is 4 by 4. 8 times 4, 8 plus 4 equals 32 and 12. 32 and 12. This is where Pluto is created. This is where I see it, but his numbers are not here. The number is 84. So what this is in the Mayan calendar, all the notations are in 7 and 13 everywhere to create 20. So this is number 1, this is number 6. So what I did is I go on the outside of the cube. Here is number 4. I went on the outside of the cube, joining the outside of the cube of 9, and it ends up doing this. And I'm going to go down and so this is the design that comes out of what is the 36 numbers in the roulette wheel. There is this area here, and this area here is questionable whether I should do it or not. This is a black area, and this is a black area. These are red areas. There's 2 red, 2 black ones. One reverts, black and red. They're polarities. And then these are the numbers, 36 and 31, 67. 28 and 33, 61. This is where the church and the cycle and rotation come in. Here is where I like to believe that this is ape life and the beginning and the separation between day and night. This is where the spirit meets the gateway of man. And this is Venus, Mars. There is no spirit inside of this. There is no spirit in the gateway. It's the spirit and the gateway. The 9 lives of the cat. The cat comes down with man. Why I say man is maybe it changes. Maybe it's man and then not man, because to create this you need 1 and 3 to create this number over here. And it's here, and it's here, and it's here, and it's 43. It's created from it. So these are just the stories. What else is there in here? What is this? This is the numbers we went over before. This is there's 18 of them. In order to get 18, no, we had 16 of them. This is counting up by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 4, 8, 4, 8, 12. Just trying to see something here. 4, 8, 12. 16, 18, 21. So this will be, I think this is low shoe. 4 and 8 is 12, 15, 7 and 2, 9, 15, 9, 15, 9 and 6, 18, 8, 2 and 5, 15, 4, 7 and 1, 12, 9, 10, 11, 15 and 6. So we have 45, 45 on the outside. Well, all the numbers, because all the numbers are the same, it's just going to be a total of 45. This is where 6 comes in, 6, 12, 18. This is where 8 comes in. 8 and 8 is 16. 5 by 8 is 40. 7 by 8, 56. 7 by 8, 56. 5 and 6, 11. 1 and 1 is 2. 6 by 8, 48. 4 and 8 is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. In this scenario here, we're counting by sevens. Now, when we do count by this, we count by sevens, we count by fives, we count by threes, we count by ones. Now, when we count by eights, okay, the only place to find an 8 on a cube is right here, the 8 voided spaces. We're going down by 1. Here, where is number 1? I didn't do number 1. Well, number 1 goes up by 1, 8 goes down by 1. Where's number 7? Oh, here's number 1, right? The 9th position meets in the 9th position. The 1 position meets 8. 2 and 7 meet in Uranus. Earth meets in Saturn. Mars meets, wow, is that really what it is? 876543219 98765. Yeah, Mars meets in Jupiter. Very interesting. Then you have to take the 7 void. The 7 void in 2. These two go together as the void. What is happening in 2? The 7 void in 2. This is going up by 2. This is going down by 2. So in Neptune, we have 7 and 2. The word is in Neptune. The sun is in Uranus. And again, 6 and 3 over here. See 6 and 3 over here. See 6 and 3 over here. It seems to always work out that way. 6 is over here. And this is by number 3. What is this? This is something different because, oh yes, I think this is, I have to figure out what I did here. CDE. 369777 CDE. I'm just trying to think. If I started at 3 and then 4 and then 5 and then 3 and then I add 4 and then I add 3, I'm just trying to think here. Yeah, that's what this one is here. We start counting from 3 and we go all the way 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And when we add them up, the cycle adding up, is 3 and 4 is 7 and 5 is 12, etc. Our cycle numbers are 373, 97, 6679, and it goes on another a few. There's got to be 16 to run that cycle, if I understood correctly. Here we started at, so when we run this cycle, 777 comes down the center, the gateway moon. When we start at number 4, the 4 starts on the left. They actually go together to create Jesus. So when you do this, it's 4, then you add 5, then you add 6, then you add 7, so it'll be 13. 1 and 3 is 4. Then you'll add 8. 8 and 4 is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. Then you'll have 9, etc. And then for E, Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video.